Hello students. Today in this module I am going to discuss with you Human Genome Project. This is the topic which is the part of chapter Molecular Basis of Inheritance. So let's begin with. Human Genome Project was a mega project, and this project aims to sequence the bases which are present in DNA. So whatever genetic makeup is there of an organism or an individual, whatever genetic makeup lies in the DNA, to sequence that is the main goal of the Human Genome Project. We know that two individuals might be different from each other. Why they are different? Because they have the DNA sequences which are different from each other, at least at some places. So the main goal of Human Genome Project is to know the basis sequence of the DNA. It is a mega project, and this project was launched in the year 1990. In the year 1990, this project was launched, and this project, which aimed at sequencing the human complete genome, was a mega project. Let us discuss more about this project in detail. Why I am calling HGP as a mega project? The reason behind is the requirements and the magnitude of this project is quite wide. The human genome, which is said to be have approximately made up of 3 into 10 raised to power 9 base pairs, and to know the sequence of these base pairs, there is lot of money and lot of efforts from scientists of different fields that is required. It is estimated that the total cost of this complete mega project is about 9 billion US dollars. How it is 9 billion? Because we are having around 3 into 10 raised to power 9 base pairs in the complete human genome, and for per base pair around 3 US dollars is been required. So for one base pair, to know the single base pair, this much money has been invested, and thus for the complete project around 9 billion US dollars are required. So it is a costly project, as well as it require the efforts of the scientists and the people from different fields. Now, only knowing the sequence of the base pair is not the solution. We need to store that information also. See, if I'll give you an example how much big this project is. That if the obtained sequence, we start storing them in the form of a book, and suppose each book is having about 1000 pages, and on each page we can write about 1000 of letters. Okay, so we require around 3300 such books. Means the number of base pairs, and the project is so much vast, so much mega, that we can estimate from this that for storing the information we need about 3300 books, and each book having 1000 pages, and each page is having the capacity to write about 1000 letters. So due to this reason, as the number and the sequence of the bases is quite long, and they need to be stored in a reliable and valuable manner, so high speed computation devices are used for storing the data which is obtained after this project. The HGB project has developed a rapid development in the new area of biology, that is bioinformatics. Bioinformatics is a branch of science, and this branch of science has been rapidly developed by the HGP, by the Human Genome Project. Now let us discuss some goals of the HGP. Now these are some set of goals of the HGP. Let us discuss them one by one. The first goal of the HGP is to identify all the approximately 20,000 to 25,000 genes in the human DNA. Next, it aimed to determine the sequence of the 3 billion chemical base pairs that make up the human DNA. Means what is the sequence, how the bases are arranged, everything need to be determined under the goals of HGP. Next main goal was to store this information in the form of database and improve the tools for data analysis. Storing the data is not the only only goal. to analyze the data, to have valuable tools which can analyze the data. That is also the target of HGP. Now, transfer related technologies to other sectors such as industries. Whatever ethical, legal, and social issues that may arise during the project, to solve those issues also and to address those issues also, this is also a goal of HGP. This complete project, that is Human Genome Project, was a 13-year project, and it was coordinated by US Department of Energy and National Institute of Health. During the early years of the HGP, the Wellcome Trust of the UK was the major partner, and it have got the additional contributions from various countries as well, like Japan, France, Germany, and China, and others. The project was completed in about 2003, and the knowledge which the various researchers have got from this project, this can be revolutionary, as it can help to find the new ways to diagnose, treat, and prevent thousands of the disorders that are affecting the human being. So by knowing the sequences or sequencing of the bases in the human DNA, the people who are working in different research fields and who are trying to find the new ways to treat and diagnose the various diseases, that research work can be helped a lot by the results of the HGP. Besides providing the clue for understanding the human biology, learning about non-human organisms, that is also the goal, the things which are done by these set of procedures on other animals. Some non-human models like bacteria, yeast, Drosophila, then plants like rice, these organisms, and the base sequence of these organisms was also sequenced by using the same techniques as in the HGP. Why the DNA of these organisms has been sequenced? Because they are somehow related with the environment, and their working and knowing about them in such a detailed and deep manner can help to understand the natural capabilities and to solve the challenges in human healthcare, in agriculture, in energy production, and in environmental remediation. So, due to all these reasons, these non-human models were also been made. So, I hope from this module you are clear with the goals of the HGP and why the HGP this project has been started. In the next module, we will discuss certain methodologies which are used under the HGP. Thank you.